give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
Friends, this is me Holiday watching Pedal Smell. Today I am in MAM TOR Hills. I'm gonna do some walking around here, and I'm going to show you. Yeah, it's a lovely day. It's sunny. It was about -4 degrees in the morning, but as you can see, it's got much warmer than early morning. Yeah, and I'm just trying to go up, so I'm gonna film it all for you. Yeah, the people who are watching me, if you remember, I was speaking Farsi and English, so from now onwards I'm just gonna speak only English, to be honest, because I had loads of comments about it, and people telling me you know, it's a bit boring. Some people don't understand it, you know, and yeah. So I'm just gonna speak English after this. Stay with me, gonna be nice. Thank you very much. This is the top of MAM TOR. Right, my dear fellow human beings, there you go. That's enough. You know, I know it's not going to be a long video, but I'm going to end it here. I will do some more. After a long time I came out, to be honest. I had various of you know, problems, and couldn't hike or walk outside to film it, and yeah, this is first time after a long time, as you can tell, the people who follow me. And yeah, I'm just gonna end it here. It's a really nice day. It's a bit chilly, but you know, it's lovely when it's sunny. England's beautiful, you know, when the sun comes out. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.